I welcome you, viewers, to Hurricane Gustav. Check out the swing. Invisible ghost swinger! Check out that stop sign. I mean, at a curve. Look at all the branches. Alright, I think the raining stopped. So I'm gonna go out here real fast. Look, please. Oh my god! What hit? What hit? Shit! I'm going inside! Fuck this! Fuck this! Fuck this! Fuck this! Fuck this! Holy crap! Oh, Jesus, move! Oh! Alright, alright. You're staying with me to view the police station. Holy shit! Dude, that thing is monstrous! Alright, here's the other view of the police station where I'm not getting my ass knocked over. Look at the damage. Can you believe that? What the hell is that? Whoa, a board got knocked off. Alright, this is Matthew the Blogger, signing off.